Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 3 is to power x into 3 is to power x into 3 is to power x over 3 is to power x plus 3 is to power x plus 3 is to power x is equals to 3, and we should solve this question for the value of x. In order to solve this question, we can write this expression as 3 is to power x plus x plus x, because from the basic rule of algebra, as we know that if the bases are in multiplication and having the same value, then their power can add up together. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we get 3 is to power x plus x plus x, and denominator value can be written as 3 into 3 is to power x, because 1, 2, 3 will be equal to 3 into 3 is to power x equal to 3 will remain same. Now in the next step, we should add up these 3 power. As a result, we should get 3 is to power 3x, and over 3 into 3 is to power x will remain same and equal to 3 will remain same. Now in the next step, we should apply the basic rule of algebra, which is if two values are in division and having the same base, then the denominator power will be subtract from numerator power with one base. We can say that either here a is to power x over a is to power y can be written as a is to power x minus y. So here we apply the same rule, basic rule of algebra, and this expression by applying this rule can be written as 3 is to power 3x minus x, because both bases will be right with one base and the denominator base, which is x, will be minus from the denominator x. As a result, we should get 3 is to power 3x minus x, and this 3 will go from one side to the other side and it will be multiplied with the 3. As a result, we should get 3 into 3 on the other side of equation. Now in the next step, we should subtract this x from 3x. As a result, we should get 3 is to power 2x, and this 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. And now this 9 can be written as 3 square, and the other side of the equation will remain same. And from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal and having the same value, then their power are also equal. So here we should apply the same rule. As a result, we should get 2x is equal to 2. Now this 2 will go to the other side of the equation and it will divide this with 2. And as a result, we should get x is equal to 2 over 2. Now both of values, by dividing both of values, we should get x is equal to 1. And this is the answer for the x for this expression. Now we should check this answer for x is equal to 1 is true or not for this equation. For this purpose, we should replace the value of this x with this 1 for the value of x is equal to 1. As a result, this expression can be written as 3 is to power 1 into 3 is to power 1 into 3 is to power 1 over 3 is to power 1 plus 3 is to power 1 plus 3 is to power 1 equal to 3. Now in the next step, these 3 will multiply together. As a result, we should get 27, and these 3 will add up together. As a result, we should get 9 equal to 3 will remain same. Now this 9 and this 27 will cancel out together. How? This 27 can be written as 9 into 3 over 9 will remain same. Now this 9 and this 9 will cancel out together. As a result, we should get 3 on one side of the equation, which is equal to the other side of the equation equal to 3. And here both the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equal to 1 is true for this expression, and the answer for the x for this expression is x is equal to 1. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.